that the gold vault of the world's largest bank has mysteriously disappeared. The entire fortune, worth trillions, has vanished without a trace.
This looks far more serious than we imagined. Perhaps it's already beyond our understanding.
All investigating police officers at the explosion site have been confirmed dead. The military has announced they will intervene to take control of the...
Herds of cattle have vanished into a mysterious sinkhole in a meadow. Authorities are investigating.
Retreat! Get back!
We've just received information from the Pentagon. Liberty Base has been completely destroyed. The cause?
We've just received reports the nation's transport system is collapsing. Hundreds of America's largest bridges have been completely destroyed.
Run!
There's rats everywhere!
Get back!
We've just received reports. Police headquarters across the United States are under heavy attack by rats.
We're out of beds!
No! Oh my God! What was that?
All main roads leading into downtown Washington, D.C. have been completely blocked. The horde is moving directly toward the White House.
We have no choice! We will die with them!
No, there is still another way.
The military has announced a full-scale strike to eliminate the rats attacking nationwide. Police will also launch a full investigation.
Mail!
The U.S. government has declared a nationwide state of emergency as millions of rats swarm major cities, causing catastrophic damage.
Federal police and the CDC are now investigating the cause of the rats' rapid reproduction and extreme aggression. Preliminary
Federal special forces have raided a secret underground facility deep beneath the Nevada desert earlier this morning.
During Silas. Although the raid was successful, the whereabouts of the 3 giant creatures that escaped remain.
There, little one. It will be all right.
It's okay. You're safe now.
Access confirmed.
Identity verified. Level 7 clearance granted.
No, impossible! Every formula was perfect!
No, run! Get out of here! My God, what is that thing?
We are live outside the city's central supermarket. A massive, unidentified creature is rampaging inside.
Requesting immediate backup! The creature, it's completely out of control!
Connecting live now. Emergency situation. We've just received confirmation. The massive creature has a outdoor.
A state of emergency has been declared. The military is now being deployed.
This is not a drill.
It's still standing! Soldiers, focus fire! Get it! Get it!
Keep searching. It couldn't have gone far.
Military and police forces continue their urgent search for the massive creature behind last night's massacre. However, so far, no trace of it has been found.
This was the last known location of the creature. It vanished right before the military's eyes. At this time, no one knows where.
We have just confirmed the source of the massive tremors, an unprecedented battle between two colossal creatures.
Do not approach. The area is unstable and dangerous.
Oh my God. What is that?